What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be out riding for the spring MUDBUG event. I dragged the man himself out the office today to come ride with some of you guys. We're going to head up to meet with the group and we're going to have a great day out in the water. Also, I just got confirmation today that we have parts on the way, so stage 1 comparisons will be happening soon. Today I'm going to be riding the RX-PX and my dad is on the GP with his girlfriend. Right now this is only a one-seater because we don't have the passenger seat. Eventually we're going to get it so we can get 2 people on this thing, but for now this is going to do for me. With that said, we're going to take off and have a great day. Pulling up to the Spunky Monkey. We're probably going to meet up with the group here. We're going to fill up the skis, get something to eat, get something to drink, and then we're going to get back on the water. So we're leaving the Spunky Monkey now. We've met up with the group. I think we're going to go ride some trails, or at least try to find some. We got about 30 people with us today. We're having a great time. I think they decided that I'm going to be leading the pack for this, so we'll see how that goes. Some of us just split off. We're literally in a ditch in the back of a cane field. We've been riding some beautiful trails and it led us to here. I hope you guys are enjoying the views because we definitely are. Now I think we're about to turn around, head back to the launch and call it a day. Well, we're back at the house now. We had a blast out there riding with the group today. We managed to ride some awesome trails that led us all the way into a ditch in the middle of a cane field. We had a near perfect day, except for one thing. Somebody at the boat launch just so happened to run over my trailer and break it. Gonna have to get that welded up. I really doubt it was anyone in our group. Stuff happens, we'll get it fixed. It's a material item. But other than that, it was a perfect day. MUDBUGs really never disappoints. We go out there and ride with a great group of people. Slow skis, fast skis, old skis, new skis, all are welcome. If you guys want to join in on these MUDBUG rides, the next one will be the second weekend of June. We'll go ride these awesome trails, stop at a few places, see some beautiful scenery, and be with a great group of people. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.